Hi everyone, so conversions is something we do from grade 10, but when we get to grade 11 and 12, we have to be able to convert between the metric and the imperial system. And that sometimes gets a bit confusing or you're not too sure what to do. So today we'll look at some easy examples and look at a method, explore a new method maybe for some of you that we can use, and I hope you understand this. So first of all, I call this method the magic method at times because it works so well and nice and easy. So if we look here quickly, we're going to convert between metric and imperial. We have kilograms and pounds in this case. So we are going to be measuring mass. So now what you'll see is, if I make the screen a bit bigger, this method is basically dividing up and multiplying across. So if we look here, it says 1 kilogram is equal to 2,20462 pounds. Now don't forget that pounds is abbreviated LBS. So this is the first set of information that we have, and that will then apply to this as well as the next question. So now the question is asking us to convert 5 kilograms to pounds. So if we have kilograms on this side, we will have our 5 kilograms over here, and then I'll put a question mark over there. So exactly what I told you earlier, we are going to divide up and we are going to times across. So basically on your calculator it will be 5 divided by 1 times 2,20462. And when we do that calculation, so if we say now 5 divided 1 times 2,20462, we end up with 11,0231 pounds. So therefore your answer will be 11,0231 pounds. Now let's go to the next question. 15 pounds to kilograms. Everything stays the same in our basic method. If you want to use this as your reference, the first thing we do is we write down the conversion factor. 1 kilogram is 2,20462 pounds. And now we know they want us to convert 15 pounds. So pounds go under pounds, and we want to know how many kilograms that is. So magic method tells us to divide up and times across. So in this case it's going to be 15, there we go, 15 divide 2,20462 times 1. And when we do that on our calculators, it will be 15 divide 2.20462 times 1. And that gives us a total of 6. Let me just get the right color pen over here. 6,80389, and it carries on like that, kilograms. So in other words, this is using 5 decimals. So here we also have 5 decimals. So that's basically what we need to do. Now, if we need to have a look quickly at what's happening here. The next one, converting between centimeters and inches. So if I move my page up, you'll see I've drawn 2 more sets for us to work on. So if we now have 1 centimeter is 0,4 inches, we know that that is the conversion factor. So we might as well write it in. 1 centimeter, 0,4 inches. So then 30 centimeters must be converted. So centimeters by centimeters must be converted to inches. So here we can put our question mark. So when we do this now, it's going to basically be divide up, sorry for the pen, and then times across. So in this case it will be 30 divide by 1 times 0,4. And when we do that, we get 30 divide 1 times 0.4. 30 divide 1 times 0.4, and that gives us 12 inches. So there we go. And then the last one, let's hope that you all get it. First of all, I write my conversion factor. 1 centimeter equals 0.4 inches. Now they're asking me to convert 50 inches to centimeters. So centimeters and centimeters go together, inches go together. So what are we going to do now? Same as always. Divide up and times across. So this will be 50 divide by 0.4 times by 1. So if we go 50 divide 0.4 times 1, we end up with 125. So our answer here will be 125. Now, basically what you can do is you can use this method, what we call the magic method, or the divide up, multiply across method. You can use this for any other conversions that you get from metric to imperial. You can also use it for petrol consumption. You can use it for how much paint do you need for a wall. You can use it to work out the cost of different things. So basically when you're in doubt and you need to find only one variable, then this is a good way to try and approach the question.